This is the latest version of our RCF2 rolling contact fatigue rig, now designated a rolling contact tribometer because we have included torque measurement and lots of other instrumentation. A small bearing adapter, which includes inline torque measurement, can be used with a 10 kilonewton servo pneumatic lobe bellows. In addition to friction torque measurement, a range of other parameters can be recorded, including electrical contact resistance, LCR measurement, temperature, bearing inner race and outer race, and vibration. A large test bath, which is torque reaction mounted and is used in conjunction with the 40 kilonewton lobe bellows, allows axially loaded bearings of up to 180 millimeters outside diameter to be tested. For more information, just scan the QR code.